Hey, this is Nate with professional services at Firewalls.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up single sign-on a FortiGate. And the first thing we have to do is set up an LDAP server. Under User and Authentication, we'll set up LDAP server here. This requires the IP address or the server name. Put in the distinguished name. We need to do a regular bind type. We can test connectivity here. Click OK to establish the LDAP connection. Next thing we need to do is set up an external connector in the security fabric. And choose under Endpoint and Identity, choose to pull Active Directory server. And we need the server IP, user, and password. Choose the LTAP server we previously created, and make sure Enable Polling is enabled, and this is where we choose all the groups that we need for our single sign-on policies. I have pre-configured some groups for personnel, and we will add all selected. Click OK. Next thing we'll do is create a group. We'll call it personnel. Choose Fortinet single sign-on and add our personnel group from Active Directory. And we can just clone this rule. Go in here and make sure that we add the right group. All right, now that groups are set up, we should be able to look at our policies. And I have pre-configured a couple of policies with a web filtering profile set up according to how I want the personnel to be able to reach the internet. So under source destination, we can edit and add the user group. That we created, personnel. Apply that. And we'll set up another user group for the policy, apply that. Now when users log in from anywhere on the domain, their users should be logged in your Active Directory server, and the firewall should pull the Active Directory server and see that the user is logged in on a certain IP address. It should also show that the user is logged in to the domain here in Assets and Identities, and you can show all FSO logons. Some additional configurations may be required on your group policy manager, such as audit logging for successful logins, so that your Active Directory server logs all logins. This has been a video on setting up single sign-on for the FortiGate. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep leaving those comments, questions, and check out Firewalls.com.